Are you hear me? Are you able to get my voice? Any disturbance? Voice or anything disturbance? Screen, everything you are able to see, I think so. Fine. Things you wrote yesterday, any exam? I think so. Sunday you wrote exam, na? Send your marks. Miss chemistry only. You can send alone chemistry. How many marks you got? Right here 64 people is there. I need to get 64 SMS. Everyone should be sent. Huh? Not only 2 people, 3 people. Send your score, everyone. Send your honest score. Don't add extra 20, 30. Huh? Don't be over smart. Only chemistry score I'm asking. I hope this is not total score. I'm expecting only chemistry. Please send chemistry only. If you send truth, then only I can give some suggestions how to improve that one. If you're not able to tell means I can't do anything for you. If nothing, I won't abuse anything. But I'll try to give my suggestions. You make an improved score. Are you over? Still all people not respond. I will give upcoming week portion which we are going to be covered up to Friday. Na? Plus last week syllabus also will come back. Pranav, Prithviraj, Venkat, fine, good. The same remaining score also. Gautam 48, very good sir. I need that honesty people. Huh? Even if you are lesser, more score doesn't matter here. You should be share your score. Then I can find out your mistakes. Solution chapter only this week also. Where all people is send your scores. Right, that you should be sent voluntarily. Na? I should not ask that one when I am asking one dialogue. Remaining you have to send immediately. Then I am requesting you are sending is not good. That is. Still all people not censored. Still. $145. Good. Mohan 120. Fine. Even 40. Harini. Good. Preeti 60. Yes. Srimati 35. Good. 52. Fine. I will help you that one. How to improve that only. Doesn't matter how many you are getting starting, but end of the year you have to get good score. That's important, na? Starting, okay, fine. You can tell whatever score you are getting. 10 also doesn't matter. Send 10, sir. I got 10 first exam, but end of the exam we'll try our best. That's improvement. If you are getting 130 to 160 means difficult, but you are getting 40, 30 means to get 120 very easy. That is. That's we can do. Okay, that's very good. Virendran. Yes, we need honesty, people. No problem, no problem. Okay, but we need next week at least. Array, who didn't done well, don't worry that one, but find your mistakes. But think that when you are interested or not, that's the only word I need that one. If you're interested, fine, more than enough. I'll help you that one to reach good score. Array, no or not, I don't know that one. Complete 11th standard, they enjoyed completely. They didn't done anything. Okay, they're escaping whenever we done homework, we are giving, they are done. But once 12th they reach, most of the students they are become seriously. Only 12th they studied it. Now they are very good medical college as well, IIT and BITSAT. Especially even NEET exam very easy. First thing, you don't worry that one. Very easy that NEET exam. And you are studying under the guidance of me. I'm sure that one you are going to get more than other NEET people, especially chemistry, because I'm purely JE teacher. So you will get little bit extra things always. That's going to be up to top 10 rank. You are following at least 80% of my words. Easily you can get chemistry score is very well compared to other subjects. That will help you easily to reach your target. And see here, only 12th standard who came to me, so many people. But who came to me, they done very seriously, sir. See, they are coming, all people. They're excitemently they are coming, sir, I need everything, 12th standard help, I need your help. Then I can study this many hours, I can do something. That is a one type of students. Again, B also they are coming, sir, let me know how to study, what we can do. These people, they are showing improvement, sir, every exam. Okay. So they are showing they are working, even they are not getting score, doesn't matter. They are showing, sir, I done this much of work heartfully, but I didn't get score. Okay, no problem. But these people only words they are telling, sir. Whenever we are talking very seriously, then they become excited, then again they will fall down. But I need at least B category people who didn't done still now seriously, doesn't matter here. Okay. Especially NEET exam, you know that one thing. If you are preparing your board exam by understanding, NEET exam will get very good rank. If you are preparing your board exam by understanding, you are solving your NCERT level, each line to line, and all equation, including organic also. Okay. Then you are reading, you are solving everything. Only NCERT book. You will get very easily NEET exam. Even first priority, if you want, you can see if they are going. Suppose they conducted KVPY exam. Sorry. This is you are going to qualify first exam, sir. If you done NCERT book very well, only NCERT book. I am not asking single thing extra NCERT. You can qualify top rank in KVPY. That much importance is there NCERT, but we have to read line to line. Okay, only line to line I'm expecting from you. Then read and understand, note down your own notes, just to follow up yourself. That's things, small things, not difficult. Array NCERT level of questions is more tough than NEET exam. Yes, Preeti, correct. Only NCERT more than enough. Even NCERT book by questions, subjective questions, those are more tough than NEET exam questions. Yes, only NCERT level. Only NCERT level. Level you can see. Don't why they are asking same question then. Yes. Only NCERT book more than enough. You can believe that one. You can get all exams top rank. But do only NCERT by understanding. Only NCERT. We don't want to do any other books. Why we are suggesting remaining books? For practice purpose. To remember NCERT concepts. That is the purpose we are practicing those questions. That's enough. If practice other books, we may can remember that problem how to solve like that. Mr. Nagarjun. So I need that concept where you are getting confusion. So first thing before getting confusion, steps is there. I shall see. I hope you know that one. Huh? I think you are people Playing mobile games are different things, huh? PUBG, all these things is there. You know that very well. Instead of me, step 2, step 3. Okay. Assume that one. Step 3 is the problem solving. Okay. You people are generally are doing most of the people, sir. Step 1 or step 2, you are missing that one. Then you are telling about step 3. Sir, I'm not able to solving step 3. This is the numerical problems which you are solving. But what is the step 1, step 2? First thing, step 1 you have to study. Means you have to listen what teacher teaching. Plus you need to practice on rough paper. Same formula, same class notes question, same thing. You need to practice on rough paper. Then you need to apply solid examples or class are which is in class whatever are given that example. You need to apply by using your brain. Try to connect the formula. Try to connect the formula. Suppose that I given P solution equal to P naught A X A plus P naught B X B. How to connect a given question to this formula? That's you need to try before exam when you are solving problems. Before exam when you are solving problems or any numerical is in that one. NCERT example you can take 2.4, 2.5, any example you can take, sir. So how to connect given formula? So what is the Raoult's law complete formula? This is the one formula I given, and second formula YA YB also I given. Is it correct? Only two formulas I given. Then YB. This is the formulas I given. Whatever given question related to this only, na? So let them give any question. How to connect? We can try it. If you analyze before solving problem, formula, you analyze that one. So what type of question they can ask? Suppose they're asking YA, how to do by using these two. Suppose PA means what you can write. Again write P naught A X A. I can write or not. PS means what you can write. Write complete formula. You can substitute again these things. Practice one or twice on rough paper. Same formula practice 2 to 3 times. Means who are not able to get those people I am telling about that one. If you are doing this analysis, these are basic steps, sir. If you done everything these are, this step is easy for us. But without doing groundwork, these 2 steps, you can't reach this step. Not easy that. When you are playing randomly without knowing rules of mobile game, then you are playing randomly. You can play randomly, but that is the reason we are getting very less score. Who are getting less than 100, they are playing randomly. They are missing some connectivity with the problem and theory. They are not able to connect. Okay. Don't think negative. This is suppose your mistake means you need to accept with heartfully and with something what we can say perfectly. Okay, you need to accept that one. Yes, sir. This is my mistake. I need to recover myself because you are going to write your own exam. No one will help that one. As a teacher, I can help you that one how to overcome your problem. But take it seriously. Suppose you are reading NCERT book where you are facing problem. Is it really that concept already I thought at the time you didn't listen or you are not able to understand that is. Most of that is English. I hope English language you can understand. Still, if you are not getting, doesn't matter because I am asking you after explanation only. I am asking to read NCERT book after my explanation. Is it correct? I am not asking before my explanation read textbook, na? Then you need to think that is little bit seriously. So after teacher explaining also why I am not able to connect that point. First thing you need to ask you so many questions. So is it really I'm doing correct work or heartfully or something missing somewhere gap is missing gap is there. And homework also, sir, you need to do heartfully, which is we are giving homework. Don't feel burden that is. Suppose one day we are not able to do fine, but at least next day you have to try that one. When you are taking seriously these things, small things, then you can overcome. This all India exam, you have to do something work. That's no option. If you need, you are very strongly doing that is. You know one thing, which is your studying is very easy thing, sir. To do job and all these things very difficult. So now you are doing easiest job, you people in that phase. Try to do your best. I think so. You know that one thing. Here all people are similar, sir. You are 10th standard, 11th standard, all are this is. You are choosing, these are, assume that one lines. These are different path of your friends. Starting, this is 3 lines. Up to 10th, 11th, 12th, up to 12th is same, sir. Your arts or something, doesn't matter here, which group mathematics. From here onward, this branch is going. Suppose you are going MBBS. Even different branches is there in MBBS also. That is secondary. Okay. Someone they are going maybe JE, or someone they are going NIT, or some people they are not going to be studies, or other people they are not studying at all. They are going like different branches. After that, MBBS, it will go still up. Maybe different specializations we can do, that is. Here also JE. After we are doing some Google, they are going some whatever Microsoft, like different people. So like this, different positions we have that one. But here all people looking very near, sir. Up to 12th standard, everyone is your classmates is near to looking here. All are same category, same school, same certificate. But after 12th, this is after 12th, sir. From here onwards will change your complete life. You never touch each other, sir. You will never touch. So here only competition. This is a simple competition. You can overcome very easily. If you done very well, you will be the NEET. You are going to be qualified. You will get MBBS. You are the top position. This bottom person also your classmate only. He also are sitting with you only. He also listening with us. Same, which is seekers only. They are teaching, taking classes, or Akash, whatever. Doesn't matter here. All people are same. But who are not qualifying, you are not taking seriously, those will go like this. Who are taking seriously like this, these two people never meet, sir, with respect to their profession, with respect to their knowledge, or in future also where what they are going to be settlization, that is, they never be touch each other. But up to this, very easy, they are classmates, they can do everything equally. But in future, we are going to be too much difference, sir. Very simple thing. Some X person they are doing per day 4 hours working regularly by understanding. Some Y person they are not ready to study. Then he study only exactly whenever board exam started. 2 months he will study. He will pass board exam. Okay, he will pass. He will go. But he's studying per day 4 hours. He also will pass board exam. Plus he can qualify NEET also. But he never qualify NEET. He done only board exam. This is showing much more difference. NEET. This person never meet again here. But exceptions is there, that is different, that is okay. But I am telling general case. But every case exceptions there, like our chemistry has so many exceptions, na? Similarly, that every case exceptions is there. So try to think how much work we can do now. Only can do, because this is the small work, we can overcome so many things right now, because it's starting phase. After that, very difficult to meet even who done right now great work. Here, try to understand, don't take negatively, huh? And one more I'm expecting from you, this is maybe new for you. Yesterday you done one exam, sir, is it correct? The solutions, which is I'm telling, this is the same thing for other batches also. I told same thing. I think so you see KNMS, some batches is there, some student A section students, their score you may can see. You may can get that score, doesn't matter. You can ask them, they will you request them, they will give score card also, other people also. What they are doing, I am telling same thing. Even what we, before their people they meet me, there's different situation. After they met me, there's different situation right now. See, suppose your exam is completed. I'm assuming, sir, this is your exam. Already I told you, maybe again I am telling, you attempted 30 questions. In that 30, maybe 20 correct. Is that the correct one? But 10 wrong. So you thought here 30 attempted, 30 into maybe attempted, sir, 4, na? 120 marks you attempted. But how many marks you are getting, sir, here? 20 into 4, 80 minus 10. So I think so 70 marks you are getting. So where is the 120 marks? Now where is the 70 marks? How much deviation is there? You can find out, sir. 50 marks means that too much variation, that too much rank difference. Is it correct? So what you have to do here, even which you attempted only, remaining 20 you don't know that one, remaining I think so 15 questions, na? That 15 you don't know, you left those questions actually. Now first thing, come to the here, 20 correct, fine, very good. Then why you done 10 wrong? We need reason 1 and reason 2, reason 3, even reason 4 also. Maybe in examination you are not able to recollect concept, right reason, I am not able to recollect concept. Or in examination you made a silly mistake because you are assuming answer you got B but you bubbled by mistakenly A. Check it, that one. Or third one, so you know 50% of the concept but I don't know remaining 50%, that's why you are not able to give answer. And fourth one, so hit and trial, you are doing the hit and trial, maybe this is correct, then I will get +1 +4 marks, if wrong only -1. If wrong means total we are losing 5 marks, sir. This we done na, here see 10 questions you lost 50 marks. How you got that is 4, anyway you lost, plus -1, total 5 marks you are losing. 10 questions 50 marks you lost, sir. 50 marks, 50. Now we need to write all the reasons, sir. Maybe understood but you didn't practice, that reason also you need to write. You are not able to solve this question in examination, why? That concept name you can write. This is suppose molality related concept, molality, okay. This concept I didn't practice very well, right? That is only why you didn't practice also you can write here. No need to show anyone, sir. This is, you can write your own explanation, even it will take 2 hours also, doesn't matter. This book name is, we have to keep, sir, error notebook. This is the one of the good teacher for you than me, your mistakes is your teacher, sir. If you write all these things, 10 questions, maybe same reasons, write same reasons, but write more explanation why you are not able to do, why you are not able to practice, why you are not able to listen in a class, everything you have to write reasons. Write every reason properly, 10 questions. After that come to the back, 15 questions. Why you are not able to attempt these 15 questions? Again same thing, reasons write. And if you write like these reasons, this is your mistakes, then read all mistakes what you done. Then keep in mind when next week you are preparing, sir, then all the reasons you can remember, because I didn't remember my concept, that is the reason I didn't done that question. So now I am reading that concept, I have to remember perfectly. That concept going to be inserted in your brain slowly. After that, I forgot formula, maybe you can write here. Now when you are studying new concept, at the time I forgot my formula, so I should not forget this time, means practice rough paper 1 or 2 times, you can get. So this is error notebook. When I am taking regular classes offline, every student they are submitting this error notebook after every exam. So you can start to write this week onwards. You can take with screenshot when you are not getting question, that is, okay. Again go and log in your mistakes. Yes, answers will be there, sir, doesn't matter. Clear. Again go and check it, why you done mistakes, everything write these reasons, question number, then concept name, then write reasons. If you done this is 4 to 5 lines each question reason, maybe it will take 3 to 4 pages one exam, sir, but weekly you are writing, that is. If you are writing this many mistakes 1 week, means next week you can reduce little bit after week. This is the process to achieve who are getting below 100 marks and who are getting even below 150 marks, also same reason. Concept is same, but who can utilize this concept, those will get, end of the day they can stand in the race, and who are not taking seriously, that's up to you, then your same score will be repeat even next exams also. This is fixed, this concept, everyone who are applying, those only can get, sir. Are you understood or not? At least something you are getting benefit. Are you hear me my voice? So it is useful or not, you can your wish that is. Maybe useful means you can try it, but try error notebook concept. I told all my students who are following those only end of the day they are standing in the race. But even without following also you can try, no issue that is. But still if you want perfectly 100% means you have to follow end of the day, this is only. If you are not writing your mistakes on rough paper on paper, then we can't do anything, sir. That only thinking means thinking only. If write on paper, that will be stand whole 1 year. Again, you can see every week your mistakes. Every week you can see your mistakes. What you are doing in examination mistakes. If you are looking your own mistakes, then next time you won't do that is the reason. You can try today onwards. I think so you can log in again that paper, check it. Otherwise, this week is try that questions which is you are not done. Even you may can send personally. Okay. Otherwise, if you are in any groups is there, add me only chemistry group. If you are in the group, just add my number. You may can share homework, whatever your doubt. In that case, we can see that one. Okay. Not your personal groups, huh? Again, you are chatting 2 minutes. I can't understand anyway that Tamil. If anywhere is there, you are in that groups. You may can add me also. So we can share that whatever your doubts, you can post that one. You can try it. Fine. So you may can ask your doubts, sir, today. You can clear first your doubts. After that, we can go next concept. Still now, any concept you have doubts, we'll solve 1 or 2 questions right now. Still, before solving, please look at your class notes and find your doubts. Doubts you can solve means again you can solve 2 to 3 problems. But before solving, also you need to look that formula. Clear? Yeah, we'll try some problems, sir. We'll try. Still now, I didn't get any students, sir. Which you are teaching, we didn't get 100%. Okay. All people they understood. They giving very good feedback for me. Even they know very well about me. Most of the people. That is secondary. But we can try our best to reach our target. So suppose you are not able to ask in the group. I hope you have my number. Personally, we may can call sometime. No issue. That is, we can talk each other. Or we may can send personally your problem also. We'll try to resolve that one. But end of the day, we need to get success, sir. That's we can't stop that is. Okay, fine. Routes the problem. Fine. I will give Preeti. I will give end of the class. Yes. Nagarjuna, whatever reason, you can keep your error book is the best. Okay. You may can use red color your reasons, or you can write mainly what is the mistake with the different color pens also. That error should be highlighted that one. No need to show anyone, sir. Okay. No, you don't want to show your parents also. If you want, you can share with them. Otherwise, we can keep with you all that error book only. Read number of times. Next time I should not do same mistake. That's your target. You don't need to show to anyone. Okay. But this is with us. As a teacher, I need to see your mistakes because I need to guide you according to your mistakes. Because every student they don't have same mistake, they won't do, sir. So that is the reason when our PTM happened, all the students will come with their error book. Then I'm going to be see every week anyway, every Monday or Tuesday they are going to be submit error book for me. Then I will see their errors. Then according to them, according to their errors, I'm guiding them because every student they have different problem. No? That's why. So please write error book also. Take seriously. That is up to you again. Okay, because I'm not checking offline. Even you want to get board exam good score also, you have to follow same reason. Just prepare your board exam, automatically NEET exam will get 100%. Our way of teaching, that's only, sir. We'll prepare board, but parallelly NEET automatically you can get. But don't think all board exam, all board students they can get, because that who are teaching really board, sir, in your schools, which is other than Seekers, you can assume, or any other teachers, that board teachers is not sufficient to teach NCERT book. To teach NCERT, they don't have that much knowledge. They will teach question answer, sir. Those people are not easy. NCERT book is, even I can't do, sir, 100% this is every point. Still I am teaching JEE advanced. This is 100% you can't do. That book authors, we make and see their profile, sir. They will keep 1 or 2 lines, much more information they kept here. But we are keeping overall this concept is simple, this is simple thing, like that we are teaching. But inside too much meaning is there. To teach that meaning, who are your board teachers is not sufficient, that one. They don't have that sufficient knowledge. That's why if you underline each line you are understanding, then easy to qualify up to advanced exam also. Clear? So anyway, Raoult's law you can see one more time, and after that we can solve 1 or 2 problems. Then you can close today. Then tomorrow again, if you have doubts, come. Otherwise, you can start small new topic. Clear? Raoult's law is, this is a very simple. This is A and B is the 2 components is there. You can assume A, B components, any solutions or mixture of solutions you can take. Maybe water plus ethyl alcohol, you can take, sir. Any components you can take, composition. This is A you can assume, this is B you can assume. Doesn't matter. General case I'm explaining. Yes, I will explain again. Mr. Selvaraj, I don't know, sorry. That I will explain for you. Everything NCERT, Deepika, everything NCERT, follow my word. If you are not getting, just I am the responsible. But you have to understand each concept, then you can see you can do up to advanced level problems. See, in this solution chapter only, which we are discussing, every concept is there, NCERT is there, I will show that one. Then we will do up to advanced level question, you can see that is. Solution chapter only, you can prove that one. For your confidence level, to increase your confidence level, I am going to show that is up to advanced level question, which you discuss basic concept only. See, these are the solutions. At mole fractions, keep in mind very strongly. I am writing XA, XB is a mole fraction liquid state. Mole fraction in liquid state. This is fixed, okay? And vapor state, we are creating vapor pressure means PA, PV is the vapor pressures, and which is vapor state also they contain a composition. A is evaporating here, B also evaporating. That is YA and YB. These are mole fraction in vapor state, sir. Mole fraction in vapor state. Some other books they may will give XAV, sir. V means vapor state. Or XBV. V means vapor state. Some books they are given like this. But to avoid confusion, I am taking simply YA, YB. And these relations only we are doing. Raoult's given relations, quantitative relationship between partial pressure and mole fractions. So PA equal to, what is the formula, sir? P naught A, XA. XA means this is mole fraction in liquid state or vapor state. XA means, mention here, X means in liquid state. PB means mole fraction, sorry, P naught B into XB. Is it correct? So this is the partial pressure of A and B. If you want to get P solution equal to total sum of the vapor pressure of A and B component, A plus B. You can write PS equal to PA nothing but, already I wrote here formula, P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. Understood? Then what they can ask based on this formula, you may can check it. They may will give all P naught A, XA, P naught B, XB. They can ask PS. That is the one chance. Other chance they may can ask XA, XB values by giving remaining terms. Other chances they may can give PS, XA value, XB value, then P naught A, P naught B they can ask. These are the chances. Let them give any question. Then read that question. What are the suitable terms which is not given? Then you can find out by using formula. First write formula. What is the suitable formula? In that formula, what they given, what they are asking. Just think 1 minute. Just think 1 second. You can get idea that way. Then maybe we can think one more thing. XA plus XB equal to very well 1. If you want to write XA equal to what, we can write 1 minus XB. You can write from this, or XB equal to what you can write. XA you can take here, sir. So 1 minus XA also. We can substitute in place of XB. This is the formula. And in place of XA you can substitute 1 minus XB. So this is also chance they can ask. If you want to get YA, mole fraction of vapor state equal to partial pressure of that component A by P total, nothing but P solution. What is the PA formula? Already you know that one. P naught A XA. What is the PS equal to formula? This complete formula. You can substitute simply. P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. So this is the YA formula. YB also you can write PB by PS. Just substitute P naught, sorry, PB means P naught B, na? P naught B XB by P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. So this is the formula. So what is the difficult here? Think that one. Only 2 formulas. If you are not able to remember, write 5 times each formula on rough paper. Why you didn't remember? Check it. And if intensity is very strong, means doesn't matter all these things. Centi normal means what is that one, sir? Centi means pi by 2. Centi means I think so. Centi normal 10 power minus 2 m, I think so. Normal. Centi normal means this is 10 power minus 2. One of their friends they're asking question. I think so if you are able to see that chat box, you can see how much water is needed to dilute 12 ml of 10N HCl to make it exactly centi normal. Now what does centi mean, sir? Centi means value is correct, 10 power minus 2 or any other. I given a normality, centi normal, milli normal, I given that one, you can check it. Molarity, normality also, semi normal, I mentioned na, deci normal, like that. So centi means 10 power minus 2, can you check it? You know that one N1 V1 equal to N2 V2 formula. So first case how much they given? 12 ml, and how much normality? 10N. 10 into what is the volume they given here? 12. This is ml, sir. Equal to what is the normality they given? Centi means 10 power minus 2. Is it correct? 10 power minus 2 into V2 you can find out here. V2 equal to, then V2 equal to 120 by 10 power minus 2. Is correct? How much will you get, sir, here? I think so 1200 is V2. Then V2 equal to V2 already given, sir. V1 plus extra added volume. I given added volume. So they're asking added volume. Is correct? So added volume equals to V2 minus V1. So V2 is 1200, sorry 12,000 no? Minus 12 ml. So this is the maybe your answer. But check it here. Centi means what is that one? Centi normal. That value you can find out. Centi normal means that value you can check it. If 10 power minus 2 or not, you can check it. If 10 power minus 2, you can use this the value. If other value means you can use other one, then calculate. But formula is this is okay. And that maybe liters you can conduct, you can do na liters. In terms of liters you can do. But very simple. Dilution means this is the formula, simple formula. N1V1 equal to N2V2. So I think so this also again V2 equal to V1 plus added volume also I mentioned. So added volume means which we are adding extra thing. Got it? So shall we do based on these two formulas one more question for your conference purpose? Fine. You can check it. You can do one more question sir here. This is the question, right? Blue color you can think. Remaining thing I am rough here. Read that question once or twice. Try to note down this question first. What is suitable formula? Now only I given. Check and write on paper first suitable formula. You can write and check it suitable formula first. So this is the first case, sir. A is the one question and B is the another question. So up to A, one question, 0.4 and 0.6. If you want to do first one, you can do this. You may can do later. Consider up to A. This is the P naught B means benzene, sir. I am writing capital B. Benzene. This is toluene. P means toluene. What is the composition of the vapor which is in equilibrium at 30 with a benzene toluene solution with mole fraction of benzene they are given. So composition of vapor, sir, means vapor phase they are asking mole fractions. You can read question. Composition of the vapor means Ya, Yb they are expecting from you. So you can write simply this benzene. That's why I'm taking Yb benzene equal to Pa by P solution. Is that correct? Pa nothing but you can write P naught A XA by P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. Understood? Are no na solution and partial period of A equal to P naught A XA. Now only given sir here. Or previous also be given. So this is the formula Yb. Suppose Y toluene they are asking, you can write P naught toluene, or in place of A nothing but you can check it, sir. Sorry, I can write very clearly. This is B, sir. Benzene we are taking na. Benzene plus toluene I can write better. You may can get confusion here. I am writing again. Please check it. P this is benzene. So you can write P naught benzene into XB benzene by P naught benzene XB benzene plus P naught toluene X toluene. Now we can write, sir. P naught benzene how much value they given? 119. xb how much they given, sir? This is the 0.4 they mention. Solution phase means solution means xb xa, which is b, sir, which we are taking x. Okay, vapor means y. How much this is? 0.4 by again 119 into 0.4 plus what is the toluene? 37. I hope you know that one. Xa plus xb equal to how much, sir? Formula 1. So xb equal to how much will get? 1 minus xa, like that. Okay. Here 0.4 is the benzene, means 0.6 should be toluene. So multiply, then you will get your answers. Right? Or step by step, just try to solve what they given, how to use formula. That's the only thing. Most will get confusion, which is a liquid state means you can keep in blindly xc, that is x. Vapor state means y. Then you can avoid mostly confusions. What is the approximate value, sir? Anyone you got? Yes, very good. 0.62 or 0.68 something, no? 0.68, I think so. Is correct? Yes, correct. 0.68. I didn't remember exactly answers. Please, you may can check it. This 0.68 means you don't want to do second one, sir. You know that one, a plus b equal to 1. Is correct? One is 0.68 means other should be 1 minus 0.68. Then y toluene equal to 1 minus 0.68. You don't want to solve this is. I think so 0.32 you will get your answer. One only you can do, sir. Remaining you don't want to do anything. Got it? Yes, sir. Correct answers. Is it any difficult? Kit, direct formula substitution. Any doubt? Do remaining people also calculations? First identify formula, then try to do calculations. Who completed? Take second case. Suppose benzene equal to 0.6, which is xb equal to suppose 0.6. Then you have to do how much you are getting. You can try it, sir. So this is a second question you may can try later. If benzene equal to instead of 0.4 is there, you may can try it. Here I'm not doing toluene C because only two components. One is 0.68 means I'm substituting 1 minus 0. Because totally equal to 1. Sum of the fractions equal to 1. That's what we are doing, sir. Any doubt? Are you hear me or not? If you have any doubt, let me know that one. Fine. Shall we do one more question? Please note down this question. Try to take note down. Read question carefully. What are the terms they given? What are the related formulas? Write on paper every formula. Then you will get idea. By looking question only, you won't get idea, sir. First read what is the terms they given, right each one corner, and what is the formulas requirement also write on paper. Now we can try see what they given here. A in the vapor phase is 0.4. So first I'm writing y vapor phase, sir. Ya plus yb equal to how much? 1. So ya equal to 0.4 plus yb equal to 1. How much, sir? Yb equal to 0.6. Is that correct? This is vapor phase. Now I am writing xa plus xb equal to 1. This is liquid phase. What is the A in the liquid phase? 0.6. Is it correct? But xb, I don't know, sir. I'm going to be calculate. So xb equal to 1 minus 0.6 equal to 0.4. Anything doubt up to this? Now we can check it formula. You know that one very clearly. Vapor phase yb equal to, what is the formula, sir? You know that formula, no? Yb equal to, sorry. Now only again, please find it. Yb equal to Pb by P solution. Pb nothing but P not B XB by PS. So what is the YB the given formula? YB how much, sir? 0.6. I got 0.6. Clear? And P not B into, what is the formula, sir? Here XB na? P not B into XB. This is the formula. P not B equal to, I don't know, but XB I know very well. How much XB? 0.4. And P solution how much they given? 600. So now by solving this I can get P not B value 900. So you can try here P naught A value, YA equal to P naught A into XA by P solution.